how's it going? And today we're gonna go over how to draw a cute bird. Just a very general bird, it's very quick. Super easy, really simple, anyone can draw it. Let's grab a marker and let's start. All right, so right now we're gonna go into the beak. And it's gonna be just a triangle, like a lesser than sign in a straight line. Close that, so now it looks like a cone. Top part of the round head. It's gonna have like a big kind of body area. We're gonna pull it with one swoop. Feather, like top of the shoulder there. We're gonna throw little, it's almost like little soft triangles toward the back. That's gonna be the back part of the wing. And now we're gonna go downward. And then we're gonna pull the same little soft triangles out the back. You can just do as many as you want, but I'm gonna do about 3. Then we're gonna draw the feet. The feet are like, imagine a little round like banana behind each other. If you want, you can throw little spikes for claws. Don't forget the eye. I'm gonna draw the cute kind of eye, the little hee-hee. I like drawing that kind of eye. I think the eye is very nice. Remember that if you're having trouble with your lines, please vary your lines and practice your lines with marker if you wish to have, like, you know, curves and straights, but it should be relatively simple, and to gain control, it is really, it's not very hard. Just try it out. Very simple drawings, is easy pictures to draw, and again, this is how to draw a bird. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this and you thought it was easy enough and you could do it, hit that like button. Also, please share it. Share this on Facebook if that helps the most. So anyways, thank you so much for watching up to this video. If you watched up to this point, thank you. What am I gonna do? Oh, if you want to learn to draw hair, or do you want to get my course on improving your art overall, I'm putting them on gumroad.com. If you want a 22 video course on how to permanently improve your art, how to teach yourself to draw without having school, it's by donation. You can just go there. It's really quick and easy. You can be watching that in a few minutes, so check that out. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next video.